Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing mower maintenance. I got
Take a look at this flat wheel. It's off the rim. It's on the inside. It's not on the outside.
We're gonna get
The
that back
only reason
on.
why we're not going to go ahead and take and drag this thing around is because it is mounted on one side. On the back side here, it is still mounted. If I drag that, I potentially am going to unmount that off of there, and that's just another situation that's going to make this tire mounting even harder. Right now, we just have to deal with one seal. Otherwise, there's two seals, right? Harder work. 1 + 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get in here. We're going to jack it up. We're going to find a good process that my air compressor is definitely going to kick on. I know that. Okay, so there we go. We got a wheel. It's flattened. It sat here. It came off the rim. We know that. While we have this open, we're going to dig out whatever dirt we can. We're going to check out the air stem. Air stem looks great. But we're going to try to do it right on the rim first. Just get it worked over towards the rim, a little more close this way. That's what we're looking to do. Work over that. A little pressure on it here. Put it all back over there. You saw that. Watch. It's open. Pull it back. I'm going to push the pressure over here like this, okay? But I forgot my air compressor on the air compressor, so you won't be able to hear everything I'm saying, but you can see what I'm doing. Just a little pressure on here. Got it. It's filling. And then we got it. We're going to overfill it a little, just to make sure it seats. Take the jack off. I'm going to jump on this thing a little bit, just to make sure it's seated. That's not a professional trick. That's my trick. Okay, good. We're going to let some of this air out. We're going with years of experience here. A little bit of give, good for me. And we're back in business as far as that goes. Now that we got the wheel done, we can actually push this thing around wherever we want.